There is no other year that the great words are mixing or meeting. There is no day that we have had at 21 days where the cross meets with faith. First, supernatural faith is a great word by itself. And then if you add on the Passover, it becomes even greater. You are curious and I am curious. To see how the power of the death and resurrection of Christ is going to work in the supernatural faith. Those who have not seen these days have lost. That is why I'm asking you. No distractions. Anything that you need to do, make sure to do it. If it is waking up from your bed, if it is proper fasting, something you lacked to do in the past days, if it is waking up early in the morning before dawn, if it is taking a lot of hours in the presence of God in prayers, I want that on the 5th of April, you will say this word. It's finished. It's finished. It is done. It's accomplished. C'est accompli.